In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GST in Zoho Invoice. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho website. Zoho is a comprehensive cloud software suite tailored for businesses, and today we'll be focusing specifically on invoicing. Once you're on the Zoho homepage, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. You can generally find this at the top right corner of the page. Click Sign In and enter your credentials to access your Zoho account. Make sure to keep your login details secure and never share them with anyone to protect your business's sensitive information. After successfully signing in, head over to Zoho Home. This central hub is where you can access different Zoho applications that your business might use. From Zoho Home, look for the Settings option. This is the section where all the backend configurations and customizations for your Zoho applications reside. Click on Settings to proceed. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Taxes section. This category is typically situated among other financial settings related to your business's invoicing and accounting operations. Once you click on Taxes, you'll enter a screen that allows you to manage all tax-related settings for your invoices. To add GST, you'll need to input the relevant details. This includes the GST percentage that's applicable to your business and any other contact information associated with this tax. Here, attention to detail is essential. Double check that all the information entered is correct to ensure accuracy across all your invoices. Input any additional info as required, like descriptions or specific tax policies that might be unique to your business's operations or region. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, review them once more to verify everything is correct. Accuracy in these details prevents potential issues down the line with billing or tax reporting. After confirming that all the details are accurate and complete, save the changes. This action will update your Zoho Invoice settings, allowing GST to be automatically calculated and included on all your outgoing invoices. And there you have it, you've successfully added GST to your Zoho Invoice. Now, whenever you create a new invoice, the GST amount will be included automatically, ensuring that your billing process is compliant and streamlined. Be sure to periodically review your settings to adapt to any changes in tax regulations or business needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy invoicing and see you in the next video.